Hi, I'm Miss Kristen, and today I'm going to teach you how to make your own piggy bank out of recycled materials. The first thing you need is a recycled bottle. Now make sure you wash it out before you use it so it's not all sticky in the inside. And you also want to take the label off of it. If it doesn't come off all the way like mine didn't, it's okay. You can just put that on the bottom so no one can see it. Now the hole at the top of a soda bottle isn't very big, so you're going to have trouble getting your coins out that way. So the first thing we need to do is cut the bottle in half. So you're going to need to get your grown-up to help you with this. I repeat, don't cut the bottle in half yourself. Get a grown-up to help you. Alright, so I got mine started. So now I'm going to continue to cut around. And you definitely need a grown-up to help you with this part. Because I'm a grown-up and I find it hard to do. Okay. There we go. So now we have two halves. And now, when you want to put it back together, you just need to slide it inside each other. Now you want to slide it together a little bit so it's smaller. So now you have a slightly smaller soda bottle that's stuck together, and then when you want to take it apart, you just pull it apart and you can get your money out. Also, what's important at this stage is you want to make sure you cut a slit in the top so you can put your money in. Otherwise, how are you going to get your coins in? So ask your grown-up to help you again. Just cut a little sliver out of the top, wherever you want it to be. Not where it's on top of each other, because you have to cut through two layers, but either closer to the back, closer to the front, so you can put your money in. So cut your slit out next. So I'm going to cut my slit up front. So I'm just going to cut a little slit. I didn't cut the prettiest slit in the world, but I did cut a hole that my coins will fit through. So now it's time to decorate. So it's time to decorate your bottle. There's a couple things you can do. You can paint the whole thing. You can wrap it in construction paper. You can wrap it in foam. So let's decorate. See, I have this cool sticky foam, so I'm gonna cut it in half because it's a little bit too big for my whole pig. So let's see how we feel about it. For a nose, and then let's get some eyes. So I attached some eyes to him and gave him a little nose. He's looking a little bit more like a pig all the time. I'm going to use some tacky glue to attach the ears because it's a little stickier, and I'm sticking this to plastic, so I want it to stick. Piggy face. Oink, 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 oink. Alright, and if you're saying, Miss Kristen, my bottle's gonna roll around, what are we gonna do? Well, if you save some other bottle caps, you can use those for feet. So I'm going to just glue those on so he has some feet. I'm gonna use the tacky glue again. he's got little feet on. So he stands up. And I think I'm gonna add a curly tail. So I'm gonna grab a pipe cleaner. My feet were slip sliding around, so now I'm gonna hold him upside down while he's drying. But I think I'm gonna use a pipe cleaner you can use for his tail, because pigs have curly tails. So let's see. Just gonna wrap it around my finger. And then new tacky glue. Take a little bit to dry, but now you have your very own bank. Now remember, you're gonna have to pull it apart when you want to take the money out, so some of this is gonna come apart. But if you don't want it to be so sealed together, you can always, like I said, paint it, or you can use paper so it's easier to rip apart instead of using foam like I did. I just had a lot of foam and I thought it looked cute. There is one way to make your own piggy bank. It's got its little tail. Got its little face. Now we're gonna make another one using a milk carton. And once again, super important, make sure you wash out your milk carton when it's done, because otherwise your money is going to smell like old milk, and nobody wants that. Nobody wants old milk money. I mean, it might help you keep your money safe, but it will be hard to spend it. Unlike the soda bottle, the hole for the milk carton is much bigger, so you don't need to cut it in half to open it. You'll be able to just pour your money out the top. So we don't have to cut any big holes, but we still have to cut a slit in it so you can put your money in. So once again, make sure you ask your grown-up to help you, and they can help you cut a little slit in the top so you can get started and put your money in it. So let's do that right now. So I'm going to, let's see, where do I want my slit to go? I mean, you could get fancy and put it in this dent, or you could do it any kind of size you want. Whatever one you decide is the top. Let's do this side. All right. Okay. So now you got your slit. You can start to decorate. So for this one, I think I'm gonna go different, and I think I'm gonna try to paint mine. So I'm gonna make mine purple. You can make yours any color you want. So here I go, I'm gonna try painting it. I painted my whole jug. It took a while to dry, so you guys might want to read a book or something while you're waiting, you know, get a jump on summer reading. So now all it's left to do is decorate. Now I did not make my second piggy bank pink. I decided I wanted it to be purple, so I'm going to make a purple pig. So let's get decorating. Let's see. Actually, I think his nose is already kind of a pink color, so I'm gonna just maybe give him some lines to give it kind of a more of a piggy appearance. Let's see. Boom, perfect pig. And I think I'm gonna add some eyeballs and some ears. All right, because my milk jug's a little bit bigger than my soda bottle, I think I'm gonna cut him out some bigger eyes. Circles, or almost circles. Some big eyeballs. I'm gonna use some more tacky glue because I already have it out. Piggy. And let's give him some ears. Now this, I think I'm gonna do pink again. My pig can be purple with pink ears. Your pig can look like whatever you want it to look like. It doesn't even have to be a pig if you don't want it to be. You could decorate it to look like a cow. It could be a snake. It could be anything you want it to be. Let's see if it will just stick. Look at him go. And you know what? I'm going to use some of the leftovers I have to make his tail instead of making it out of pig there. Whoop. So now he has a tail, now he's got a face, and I can easily take out my money if I need to. So here's piggy bank number 2. All right, so this guy got eyes, nose, a little tail. I am not going to put feet on him because he already sits flat, but if you would like, you could just do the same thing you did with the other one and glue some feet to the bottom to give him a little more height. It should be fine just sitting since it is flat on each side and it shouldn't roll too much. Well, there you go. 2 simple ways to make piggy banks at home using recycled materials. I hope you guys give it a try and have a lot of fun.
Support public libraries. Like, share, and subscribe for more great videos.